All right, a grandma style pizza is somewhere between a New York style and a Sicilian style pizza on the thickness factor. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about when I cut into it. And that's kind of what I'm talking about in terms of thickness, just like that.
Gluten talk.
And the most important part of this whole video, how does this taste? Oh, I just love how much cheese is on there.